Yippee-ki-yay, mother lovers. All right, that was awesome. Spun like crazy. Spun like crazy. I'm not expecting the greatest time here right now. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you, baby.
I appreciate you.
Good job.
Okay.
Were you on your first run?
Yeah, well, this the first run with this setup.
Good job. So you're doing something right.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So spun like crazy, but first run 9.6. We got a 9.601. Let's see. 9.601. Ooh, good reaction time. 0.22. I'm doing something right. That's what she meant. 0.22. All right, all right. God damn, that's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Babe, 0.22. Of a reaction time. That's what that is, the 0.22. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I'll meet you over there. Okay, not bad. All right, we'll see you next time.